If you're looking for a way to make some extra money with a little creativity and effort, you may want to get your phone, download this app, and start earning money. I'll be showing you how to make up to $700 with no videos, no referral links, a no-nonsense video just for you. All you have to do is follow a few easy and hassle-free instructions to follow, and me, the guide that will assist you every step of the way to avoid rookie mistakes. Hello, I am your cash flow girl. Welcome to my channel where I teach you easy ways to get your cash flowing. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. In our digital era, making money has never been easier. If you have a smartphone, you may start earning money at the tip of your fingers. With a few clicks on this website, you can start earning right away. FOAP. We're talking about this user-sourced image platform and the sure way to go with your money-making journey. This website operates like other stock photo sites such as Shutterstock and 123RF. In fact, several big businesses like Heineken, Facebook, and even Nivea use the site to source their photographs and videos for campaigns for marketing material. Here's how they do it. They search for a photo they want to use. It might be an image of a cuisine, scenery, structures, animals, people, or anything that appeals to the audience that matches their campaign and contains the desired features. FOAP allows you to snap photographs with your own smartphone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. You may capture pictures and upload them to the FOAP website, where you can set the price of each photo. It is such a credible site as hundreds of huge companies work with FOAP like Heineken, Nivea, Kraft Heinz, Volvo, and others. They're also official Facebook marketing partners. Right off the bat, the FOAP website boasts a selection of high-quality, high-resolution photos you can use. And you may also add your own photographs and videos and earn from them by splitting profits from your sales with FOAP. That's how we plan to make money. Each FOAP picture sold has a prize pool that ranges from a few dollars to $10. That's a significant sum of money for just one photograph. If a firm decides to utilize or license your work after you submit it, you may begin earning royalties. To get started, go to the Google Play Store or App Store on your Android or iOS devices and search for FOAP. Click on the FOAP app, download it, and install the app on your device. After you've downloaded the app, go to FOAP and create your FOAP account. Make sure you don't register under a brand. Instead, register as a creator and then click on Sign Up. Enter necessary personal information, and after you've finished signing up, they'll show you the step-by-step process of uploading your photos and videos. Once setting up your account is done, you're ready to start earning money. If you don't enjoy taking images of things, I want you to search for professionally taken photos that have already been completed. Shutterstock is a website that caters to a large library of high-quality stock photos and videos, which you can visit for this particular reason. The pictures we're searching for are in there. One thing to note is that you may use the same pictures on both FOAP and Shutterstock. You may do this to boost the chances of selling a photo and earning money, since certain people use stock photo websites to gather images, whereas others utilize Shutterstock for high-resolution stock pictures. These next steps are crucial to your passive income gig, so I hope you're still with me. Are you liking this content so far? Give this video a thumbs up and interact on the comment section for thoughts and ideas. To get started using and selling photographs on Shutterstock, go to submit.shutterstock.com and select the Get Started option. It will redirect you to a sign-up page where you must input some necessary details. Don't worry, you won't be charged with anything, and this website is available worldwide, so don't be concerned about access. If you're not a photographer or interested in taking photographs, I can show you the hidden website where you may obtain free high-resolution photos that you can use for free and upload them to FOAP and Shutterstock. The site that I'm talking about is called burst.shopify.com, which will be linked on the description box, as well as all the other websites mentioned in this video. It's all about the name. You're probably wondering why I'm calling this feature Burst. It's because Shopify.com is bursting with high-quality video and photographs for free. There are several categories to select from, including nature, buildings, animals, and so on. It's also completely free to use. Now, let's see if we can look at any category for this demonstration. Let's look at the workplace category. You may notice that many stock photos relating to the subject of office are available right here. With a simple click of a button, you may download these images instantly. Depending on your needs, you may save the images in JPEG or PNG format. You can select between high resolution and low resolution quality when downloading the pictures. However, to increase sales, I recommend using high resolution pictures. You might also take a look at PicWizard. PicWizard, like burst.shopify.com, is another free stock footage website that allows you to download high-resolution video and photos for personal or professional use. To download a photo you like, simply click on any image you see and it will redirect you to a page with a download option. Remember that downloading these pictures does not have to cost you anything, so responsibly grab as many free pictures as possible. If possible, get the high-resolution versions to provide better photos. Once you've gathered all of the photos you want to upload and your Shutterstock and FOAP accounts are up and running, you may proceed to upload the pictures. Simply follow the steps or seek further information if needed. If you're still unsure, go to the FOAP or Shutterstock site on your phone or personal computer and start uploading. You may earn a lot of money in the background as passive income without having to do any extra work. Because these sites are available worldwide, you won't have to worry about availability or region exclusivity concerns. If you're afraid to cash out, FOAP only accepts PayPal accounts as a payment method. However, Shutterstock offers PayPal, Skrill, and Pioneer as cash-out choices. FOAP and Shutterstock provides you a platform to explore your creativity and an opportunity to earn you money at the side. So go ahead and check these sites out. For my #1 recommendation on how to make money on YouTube, check out the link on the description box below. It has been nice to be your guide for this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, ring your notification bell, and get your cash flowing through me, your cash flow girl. See you at the next one!